are going to learn math. But before we start, let's pray first. Okay, the one who's going to lead the prayer today is Fania. Fania, can you stand up please? Come here. Okay, Fania. Everybody stand up.
Everybody stand up. In a position. Prayer begin.
Thank you, Fania. Okay, Fania, you may sit down. Okay, guys. As usual, before we start our lesson, keep standing. We are going to sing one of the national songs. Today is Dari Sabang Sampai Merauke. You don't have to do the movement, just sing along with me, okay?
Okay.
Dari Sabang sampai Merauke berjajar pulau-pulau, menyambung menjadi satu, itulah Indonesia. Indonesia tanah airku, aku berjanji padamu, menjunjung tanah airku Indonesia.
Okay, thank you. Everybody, you may sit.
What is everybody on this?
Okay. Next, I'm going to check your attendance. As usual, when I call your name, please answer with present tense. Okay, I'll do it while I'm sitting down. Okay? Yeah. Tobias, are you ready? Okay. Fidel.
Present.
Thank you, Fidel. Amora. Thank you, Amora. Tobias.
Action.
Thank you, Tobias. Evie.
Present.
Thank you, Evie. Madeline. Thank you, Madeline. Ian.
Present, Miss Cantik.
Thank you, Ian. Clara. Thank you, Clara. Nico. Thank you. Florinda. Thank you, Flo. Aaron.
Present.
Thank you, Aaron. Bella.
Present.
Thank you, Bella. Okay, Annabelle.
Present.
Thank you, Annabelle. Eva. Oh, Eva is sick, ya. Maddie.
Present.
Okay, thank you, Maddie. And Fania.
Present.
Okay, thank you, Fania. Okay, so one of your friends, she couldn't come today because she's sick, so hopefully she will get well soon, yeah? Okay, now, before we start our lesson of today, I would like to check your readiness. Okay, are you guys ready for the lesson today? Looking at your face, you are ready. Your clothes, you are also ready. Okay, it is very important for us to be ready before we receive our lesson, to make sure that we can understand everything that will be taught today. Yeah. Okay, and it's also very important for you to make sure that you understand the rules. Rule number 1, please make sure that when you sit down, you care about the people around you. Be very careful with your movement. You do not want to hurt anyone with your hand or legs movement. And then you also need to raise your hand before you speak. And then wait until I call your name before you speak. Everyone understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, please show us your tongue. Okay. Now, still remember what we learned yesterday?
Yes.
Multiplication. Okay, I'll show you again, just to refresh your mind, yeah? I'll show you again. What are we preparing yesterday?
Goodie bags.
Goodie bags.
Oh yeah, goodie bags. There was some milk and
Milk.
some biscuits,
Some biscuits.
and jelly.
jelly. Okay. Who love biscuit? Me. Who love jelly? Me. Who loves milk? Me. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see this. Okay. This is the item. These are the items for your goodie bags. Okay, we have biscuit, we have milk, and we have jelly. Do you remember how many goodie bags that we need to prepare?
25.
25, yeah. 25. So it will be a lot because in one goodie bag, you will have 2 packs of biscuit, 3 packs of jelly, and 2 cartons of milk. So we need to count the total item for each item, so we know how many biscuit, how many jelly, and how many milk that you need to buy in supermarket. Okay. Miss, why do we need to learn multiplication? Why? Because it can help us in our daily life. So the reason why you are learning multiplication today, so it can help you in your daily life, and also it can help you solve so many problems. Today we are going to use the method that we are going to use. We are going to have discussion. We are going to demonstrate, yeah, and then you are going to do your individual workshop. No need to worry. Okay, now. So, 25 goodie bags. Each goodie bag has 2 biscuits without 50. However, how can we count this? 25 times 2 equals 50. 25 means there are 25 bags. In its bag has 2 biscuits. Do we really need to count it like yesterday? 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag until 25? Why? It's going to be too long, too much, and too much time. Maybe we cannot finish it on time. If yesterday I have taught you how to count multiplication using bags, remember? The video from the international artist. Okay, with 1 heart, 2 heart, 3 hearts, and so on. Today, I'm going to teach you something else. How to count using vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication will help you to do the multiplication easier and faster. Okay, now we have this case. 25 times 2. Vertical 25 times 2. Help me out with this one. What to do with this? Anyone know? Okay, Fania, what to do with this? What to do? Tell me what to do. I'll do it for you. It means 2 times 5. Means I still don't know what is 2 times 5. Because this is 2 times 5, that if you still don't know, it is okay to use the goodie bags. 2 times of number 5. Remember that multiplication is repeated? Repeated addition. So 2 times 5 is 10. I put what in here? 0. And the other one? Saving, yeah? Saving. Okay? Remember this one. And then what to do next?
2 times 2.
2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. Remember the saving?
1 equals 50.
So, now you get how I can get 50 from this. This is what we call vertical multiplication.
Very easy.
Very easy. Okay. Now, let's count for the jelly. Before we counted for the biscuit, now let's count it for the jelly. I need some help. Okay, Annabelle. Come. How to do it? Count with us. 25 times. Why times 3? Anyone knows why times 3? Why not times 2?
3 packs of jelly.
Yes, Yes, because we will put 3 packs of jelly in the bag. Okay, how to count it?
5 times
3 times 5. Okay, is what is 3 times 5? 15. So we put the 5 and then the 1 saving and then
3.
is what is 3 times 2?
6.
6. Remember plus the saving become
7.
7. So how many jelly do we need to buy? 75 jelly. Oh. 25 jelly, yeah. Okay, it has a faster way to show.
Because 5 plus 5 means 10.
Okay.
And then like if you multiply multiply them, that means it's the same thing. 5 plus 5 is 10.
Multiply with what number?
2.
Yeah, because there are how many numbers of 5?
There's 2 number 5.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it's 2 times number 5. Yes, Annabelle.
Multiplying by 5 is multiplied by an even number, the back will be 0, and then it is multiplied by an odd number, it will be 5 to the back.
Yes. Correct. According to Annabelle, the unique thing about multiplication of number 5, if you multiply it with even number, what is even number?
2,
2, 4,
Dividable
6.
numbers.
If you multiply it with even number, the result will have 0 in the back.
Yes.
Yeah? You want to prove it?
Yeah.
5 times 2?
10.
5 times 3? 15. 5 times 4? 20. Print. Even, 0, 0. If you multiply it with odd number, the back must have number 5. Yeah. So that's a great information from our friends. Okay. Now, are you guys ready for the
Oh my god.
practice? I call this one practice, individual practice. No need to worry.
But is this one page?
1 page only, guys.
Oh.
You-
This is gone.
You can use the back of the paper as the place for you to scribble, to count, to make the bag, to make the bowl, to make the circle. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Everyone will have a workshop paper. Yeah. What you have can be different with your friends. So focus only on your workshop. Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. Pay attention, yeah? Okay. In this one, you need to solve mathematic problems, multiplication problem. Some of the problem only has numbers. Some of them has story problem. Yeah. But in order to answer the story problem, you still need to write the math sentence. The math sentence is like 5 times 3 equals, that is math sentence. So, you have to do this by yourself. I will be walking around to check on your understanding. If you need my help, just raise your hand. You don't have to walk around, yeah? Just raise your hand. I will come to your table, yeah? And you have to do it quietly. Until what time? Let's see the time now. 15 minutes enough.
Enough. No.
Let's see. If 15 minutes enough, then great. If not, I'll give you extra time. But try your best. The most important thing is in math is you try your best, you practice. Okay? Yeah. All right. Once I call your name, get the paper and get your chair. Okay? But please do it quietly. Yeah. Okay. Max. Annabelle. You're welcome. Maddie. Theo. Oh. Jacob. Aaron. Ian? Madeline? Okay. All right, everyone. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quiet. Quiet, please. If you don't understand something, if you need my help, raise your hand. I will come to your table. Yeah? Try to do it by yourself. Okay. No talking. Do not discuss with your friends. Do it by yourself. If you're confused, raise your hand, yeah? Yeah, so the result is. You can use the back of your paper to count, yeah?
Eraser.
What number is this?
Serious? Yeah, I promise you I'll give it.
Check again for this one. Because we will continue later. Yeah. Okay. For math, who haven't finished with math? Okay. Other papers? Everyone, gather in the center. Let's gather in the center. Who already understood about the concept, keep practicing. For those of you who still a bit confused, it's okay, keep practicing also. I will also help you. Yeah? So, the lesson for today is finished. Now, I would like to remind you again to stay focused. Ian, woo. Okay. To stay focused every time we have lesson. So, multiplication is fun, guys.
Yes.
It's so fun.
The most fun is multiply 10 and multiply by 9.
Yeah, it's many ways that we can use to do multiplication. on the calculator all the time, it shows that you don't understand about the concept. Well, the concept is very important. And you have to also remember that 3 times 1, it's not the same with 1 times 3. Even though the result same. What is 3 times 1? 3. What is times 1 times 3? 3. But these are not the same.
I know the difference. So strange, miss.
Because the illustration will be different. And it's very important when later you are drinking medicine. 3 times 1 means after breakfast 1, after lunch 1, after dinner 1 medicine. But if you mix it with 1 times 3, then okay. Every time I drink 3 medicine. What will happen to you? You will sleep the whole day. You cannot do anything.
Sometimes you can die. There's also a chance that you might die.
Yeah, overdose. Alright. Yes, Annabelle. Wait, guys. Annabelle would like to say something. This will be 0. Yes. Any number. Annabelle is asking, is it correct that any number multiplied by 0 will be 0? Yes. So, any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1,000 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Yeah? Tobias, yeah? Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. Okay. Yes, Aldrin.
So I want to add these things. So addition and multiplication is almost the same.
Yes.
And also, like when we want to, like addition, if we like want to, like example 10 addition 0, that's still 10. In multiplication we do it like 10 multiplied by 1 is still 10.
Yes. Max.
Infinity is a real number, right?
Infinity means the number can continue. Yes.
Yeah,
Can continue.
it can continue what?
Yeah. Sebastian?
If we times something by 1, like 5 times 1, it always will be 5.
What? Always the same one. Okay, so before we end our lesson, I would like to say thank you very much for willing to learn. Please keep learning, keep practicing. Tobias, sit down first. Keep learning. Tobias, sit down properly. Yeah. Keep learning, keep practicing. Like I said before, math needs practice. Yeah. Okay. Now let's close this lesson with another prayer. Okay, Spania. Yes, me too. I have fun. Who had fun today? Okay. Alright. When we listen after you master the multiplication. Okay, everyone, stand up.
I'm gonna make it special.
Okay, Spania.
Here begin.
Thank you, Fania. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Now, you may drink and pee and then line up outside for sport.